Some of the most frustrated people that I've ever met are the nicest ones, and it took me a long time to understand why. Let's start with the core problem. Do you think being nice is a compliment? हम दो चीज़ों के बारे में यहाँ पे बात करेंगे, being nice versus being kind. Being nice means chasing approval, but being kind means strength and honesty. Think about it. लोगों को खुद को nice के बबल में रखना क्यों पसंद है? अपनी एक nice image portray करना क्यों पसंद है? Because it is safe. Nice means you do not disagree with someone. You do not have a chaotic relationship with someone. Because nice people rarely disagree. They don't want conflicts. They love being liked by others. So is that kindness or fear? If you are nice, let's see what you are afraid of. तुम डरते हो rejection से, confrontation से, disappointing someone, या losing their approval. And sometimes people are nice because they are negotiating their words with others. Because तुम्हारी nicest version कभी भी किसी से conflict नहीं चाहेगी. Wherever you go or whomever you meet, तुम उनके बबल में fit हो जाओगे. Because you don't disagree with them, you fit inside their criteria. Think about this. जब तुम हमेशा nice हो, do people know the real you? No. Why? तुमने अपनी real version को दबा के रखा है. Because if you let it out, people might disagree with that, and if they disagree, you're no longer nice in their minds. और इस बात पे ध्यान दो. If everyone likes you, maybe no one knows the real you. और ये बहुत powerful चीज़ है reflect करने को. And what are the end goals of you being nice? You become quietly resentful. Why? Because you give too much, you never say no, and you expect appreciation, but you never express it. और ये unspoken expectations तुम्हारे अंदर एक hidden anger create करती हैं. Now let's look at what a kind person does. He tells the truth, he has boundaries, and he still respects other people. In shorter terms, kindness requires strength, क्योंकि तुम्हें अपनी boundaries set करनी आती हैं और तुम्हें अपनी self worth पता है. Whereas niceness डर से आती है, because you don't want people to know the real you, because they might disagree with that version of you, and you fear that. तो तुम ये खुद से पूछो, when was the last time you said no, or you honestly disagreed with someone?